Did you forget your Apple Watch lock screen passcode, or you have no iPhone? Then, you can reset the Apple Watch in two ways. Here's Jay, and I will explain how to do that. The first method is using the side Apple Watch button. Put your Apple Watch on charging. Make sure your Apple Watch is charging. Press and hold the side button just below the digital crown button until you see the power off button and emergency call option on the screen. Again, press and hold on the digital crown button until you see the reset option that says erase all content and settings. This will reset the device to factory defaults. Tap on the reset option and follow the on-screen instructions to erase your Apple Watch without your iPhone and passcode. That's the easy method to reset Apple Watch without paired phone and password. Mainly when you forget your Apple Watch passcode. But still, the activation lock for your Apple Watch is on. Due to this reason, when we pair Apple Watch again with new or other device signed in with different Apple ID, Apple Watch may ask you to enter your old Apple ID and password for the verification. To remove the activation lock, go to iCloud.com and /find. Log in with your Apple ID password and tap on Remove this device option. That's it. The alternate method is using browser on computer. Open browser on your computer, go with iCloud.com/find website. The link is given in video description. And log in with your Apple ID. Once you log in, see your all Apple devices. Tap on Apple Watch and see the option for erase this device. That means all content and settings will be erased when this Apple Watch connects to the internet. An erased Apple Watch can no longer be located or tracked. I hope you liked this video. Don't miss to like, share and subscribe for more upcoming videos. Also, comment for more help.